everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to turn off sounds in Township game. If you want to turn off the sound effect in your Township game and enjoy a quieter gaming experience, then follow through the steps. First of all, launch open your Township application. After you're inside this gameplay section, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner. Now click on the gear button in the pop-up, and on the next page, you will see a music note and the speaker icon at the bottom right. Simply tap the music note and speaker icon once and make sure that they are crossed with a red line. Until it's crossed with a red line, you will not hear any sound effect while playing the game. If you ever want to turn on the music and sound effect, just tap on these two buttons at the bottom and you will be able to hear the music and sound effect while playing the game again. So that's how you easily turn off the sound effect in Township. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more Township tutorials. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.